Guten Tag, Modul 1, Lektion 2. So today we are going to discuss Lektion 2. Das ist meine Familie. Okay, so this is my family. Nummer 1. Was passt zusammen? That means what comes together, what suits together, or we can say also match the followings. Yeah. So but here was passt zusammen? That means what suits together. Then one example is given there. So where bist das? So where ist das? Okay. So das ist meine Oma. So who is this? So this is my grandmother. Nummer 2. Wie alt ist dein Bruder? That means how old is your brother? Then there is a number. So er ist 13. So mein Bruder is a masculine. So we can write er. Yeah. Then here, wie heißt deine Schwester? So we can say sie heißt Karin. So this sie is for she. So she is called Karin. Then wer ist Markus? Then who is Markus? So he is my brother. So er ist mein Bruder. So he is my brother. Then ist das dein Vater? So it's a question, and then this question start with verb. So this is yes no question. Yeah, so the question start with verb, so we call such kind of questions is as a yes no question. So ja nein Frage, so the answer will be ja oder nein. So here it's ja, so D. Okay, so is das dein Vater? Then ja, so yes. So is it your father? Then yes. Yeah. Then we move to next one, number 2. Er oder sie. So er, that means he, oder or, sie means she, that means he or she. So we just go through the words and then we have to match. Okay, so whether this word goes with er or whether this word goes with sie. So Vater is a father, so father is a masculine, so he. Okay, then Tante is a feminine, so she. Yeah, so sie. Okay, then uncle again. So all the masculine, see, all the masculine goes with er and all the feminine goes with z. Okay, so Vater, so father masculine, so er. Tante, so female, auntie, so it's a z. Uncle, uncle, then er. Mutter, female, so mother, z. Then Freundin, so in, so this one is a friend, a girlfriend, yeah, z. Then Bruder is a brother, masculine, so er. Opa is a grandfather, so er. Then Freund is a friend, so it's a er, masculine. Then Oma, it's a z, it's basically it's a grandmother, so z. Then Schwester, it's done, so it's a Schwester is a z, so she. Okay, then just keep these things in mind and then do the number 3. So number 3, what we have to do, dein oder deine, er oder sie. So what we will do, so when we use dein, then it must be used er. Okay, and then if there is a deine, then it must be used with z. Okay, so that means dein is used for masculine and deine is used for feminine. Okay, so just we will go through number 1 and then let's see how we will write the answer. So heißt das Schwester Susi. So Schwester is a sister, it's a feminine, so any z. Yeah, that means z. So here the answer 9, das heißt. Okay, so das heißt Ulrike. So the question is heißt, then deine Schwester Susi, that means is your sister called Susi or her name is Susi? So no, her name is Ulrich, so she is called Ulrich. Yeah, Ulrike. So here deine and then z. Then here Mutter, then again heißt deine Mutter Clara, then ja, sie heißt Clara, so yes, she is called Clara. Then Onkel is a masculine, so dein. So heißt dein Onkel Georg, then nein, er heißt Max, so no, his name is Max. Then heißt, then Freund is a masculine, so dein. So heißt dein Freund Paul, then ja, then er, so because dein, so masculine, Freund is a masculine, so here we will write er. So er heißt Paul. Then heißt, then Oma. Okay, Oma is a feminine, so deine and then sie. So heißt deine Oma Werther, then ja, sie heißt Werther. So in this column we will use thine order deine, and here in this part we will use er order sie. Okay. Okay, in the same way here also. So ergänze thine and then deine, oder mein oder meine. Okay, so just go through the sentences and then we will write down. So Tina, ist das deine Mutter? Okay, so Tina, ist das deine Mutter? Then she says, nein, das ist meine Tante. Okay, so this dein we will use for masculine and mein we will use for masculine, but deine and meine we will use for feminine. So once again, Tina, ist das deine Mutter? Then nein, das ist meine Tante. So M-E-I-N-E, and here D-E-I-N-E, deine. Then number 2, wie heißt, then Tante. So Tante is the feminine, so deine. So wie heißt deine, so D-E-I-N-E, deine Tante. Then here meine Tante, so M-E-I-N-E, and then M will be capital. So meine Tante heißt Eva. And here number 3, und wie heißt, then Vater is a masculine, so dein, D-E-I-N only. So wie heißt dein Vater? Then here we will use mein Vater, so M-E-I-N, mein Vater. So mein Vater, heißt Peter Weigel. Then number 4, heißt dein Bruder Stefan? Then ja, mein Bruder heißt Stefan. Then sind das deine Großeltern auf dem Foto? So are these your grandparents in this photo? Then ja, das sind meine Oma. So Oma is a feminine, so meine Oma, und Opa is a masculine, so mein Opa. Okay, so M-E-I-N-E, meine Oma, und M-E-I-N, mein Opa. Then here number 6, hast du auch einen Onkel? So do you have also an uncle? Then ja, so E-R. Okay, so no, ja, mein Onkel, M-E-I-N, mein Onkel heißt Hans Hoffmann. Then here ist Brigitte deine, D-E-I-N-E, deine Freundin. Then ja, sie ist meine beste Freundin. Okay, so in this same way we can do. Then next one, number 5 is we have to here fill up here ist oder sind. So normally what we do, for the singular we will use ist, and for the plural we will use sind. Okay, so Peter is a singular, so das ist Peter. Then ist mein Bruder, das, and then Eltern is a plural, so das sind die Eltern von Claudia. So Eltern basically mother and father both, so that is plural. So das sind, so for the plural we will use sind. So das sind die Eltern von Claudia, so they are the parents of Claudia, or Claudia's parents. Then Schwester is a sister, singular, so das ist die Schwester von Klaus. Das ist, okay, sorry, Herr and Frau, so there are two people, so plural once again. So das sind Herr und Frau Meyer, so they are Mr. and Mrs. Meyer. Sie, then Eltern, so sind, sie sind die Eltern von Sabina, so they are the parents von Sabina, yeah, of Sabina. Then singular, so das ist Brigitte, sie ist die Freundin von Tina, she is the friend of Tina. Okay, in the same way, so here we will write ist, sind, then again ist, number 4 sind, ist, and then ist. Okay, then we move to the next one, number 6, ein Stammbaum. Stammbaum is a family tree. Ein Stammbaum, family tree. Where ist das? Who is this? Okay, so Peter Klein, Anja Meyer. Okay, so these are the two couples. Then Hans Rahner and Werther Müller. Okay, these are the one couple. Okay, then what we will do here? So Markus Klein and then Stefan Klein. So these two are the kids of, okay, this side, from this side, and then Brigitte Rahner and then Martha Rahner. Okay, they are the kids. Okay, and here Stefan Klein and Brigitte Rahner, they are the couple, and their kids are Max Klein, Anna Klein, and then Daniel Klein. Okay, so that means Marcus and Stefan are brother. Okay, Brigitte and Martha are the sisters. Okay, and then these Anna, Max and Daniel are the brothers. Yeah, Anna brother and sister, that means siblings. Okay, of Stefan Klein and then Brigitte Klein. That means Stefan Klein and Brigitte Klein are the parents of these three kids. Okay, then we will go through these 8 sentences and then find out the answer. So sie ist die Mutter von Brigitte Rahner. Okay, so example is given there, Berta Müller. Okay, so Brigitte Rahner, Mutter von Brigitte Rahner. So Brigitte Rahner, okay, and then Mutter. So Hans Rahner is the father and then Brigitte Rahner is the mother. So Brigitte Müller is the mother. So here we will write the name Brigitte Müller. Then here, er ist der Vater von Daniel Klein. So he is the father of Daniel Klein. So Daniel Klein. Okay, this one. So father is Stefan Klein. Okay, so here we will write Stefan Klein. Then number 3, sie ist die Schwester von Martha Rahner. She is the sister of Martha Rahner. So okay, where is the Martha? So Martha is there, and who is sister? So Brigitte Rahner. So we will write here number 3, Brigitte Rahner. Okay. Then number 4, er ist der Opa von Anna Klein. Opa is the grandfather. Yeah. So Opa. So Anna. So Anna Klein. So this one is Anna Klein, and Stefan Klein is the father, and then Peter Klein is a Opa. Yeah. So we will write here Peter Klein. Okay. Number 4, Peter Klein. Then number 5. Okay, we have to go through the Stammbaum also, na? So number 5, sie ist die Tante von Daniel Klein. She is the aunt of Daniel Klein. So who's Daniel Klein? This Daniel Klein, and then aunt. So this is the mother. Okay, so Daniel Klein is his mother, and then Martha Rahner is the aunt. So here we will write number 5, Martha Rahner. Okay, so in number 5 we will write Martha Rahner. Then number 6, er ist der Bruder von Marcus Klein. So he is the brother of Marcus Klein. So this is Marcus, and then Stefan Klein is the brother of Marcus Klein. So we will write here Stefan Klein. Okay, number 6, Stefan Klein. Then number 7, er ist der Vater von Martha Rahner. Who is the father of Martha Rahner? So this is the Martha Rahner, and then we have to find out. Okay, so Hans Rahner. Yeah. So in number 7 we will write Hans Rahner. Yeah. So that means here we will write Hans Rahner. Then here number 8, sie ist die Mutter von Stefan Klein. She is the mother of Stefan Klein. Then we have to find out who is the mother of Stefan Klein. So here is the Stefan Klein. Okay, and then Peter Klein is the father, and then Anja Meyer is the mother of Stefan Klein. So Mutter von Stefan Klein is the Anja Meyer. Yeah. So this one. Yeah. So Anja Meyer is the mother of Stefan Klein. So in number 8 we will write Anja Meyer. Okay. Then we move to the, okay, here number 7, mal einen detaillierten Stammbaum in dein Heft und stell deine Familie vor. That means just draw a detailed Stammbaum, so family tree, in your notebook, and then introduce your family in the same way. Okay, then number 8, so we are lesen. That means we will read. Okay, so we will read the text. So this text we will read and then find out the answer. Okay, just we will write down the answer of these 7. Okay, so here, so die Familie von Kamal. Okay, the family of Kamal, or Kamal's family we can say. So Kamal is writing, hallo, ich bin Kamal Malik. Okay, und bin 11 Jahre alt. So he's saying, I am Kamal Malik and I am 11 years old. Das ist meine Familie. This is my family. Meine Mutter heißt Amita und mein Vater heißt Bikram. So my mother's name is Amita and my father's name is Bikram. Das ist meine Schwester, and this is my sister, und sie heißt Amna and she is Amna. Sie ist 13. She is 13 years old. Then das sind meine Großeltern and they are my grandparents. Mein Opa heißt Shekhar. So my grandfather heißt Shekhar und meine Oma heißt Usha and my grandmother heißt Usha. So her name is Usha. Sie sind alt. They are old. aber aktiv, but active. Das ist mein Onkel Arjun, and this is my uncle Arjun. Der Bruder von meinem Vater, so the brother of my father. Und das ist Tante Sharmila, seine Frau, and this is Aunt Sharmila, so his wife. Then sie ist die Mutter von Aman und Shara, and she is the mother of Aman and Shara. That means Aman and Shara are the cousin brother or cousin, okay, so von Kamal Malik. Then Aman ist 13, so Aman is 13, und Shara ist 14, and Shara is 14 years old. Das ist meine Familie, this is my family. Ich liebe sie sehr, I love my family a lot, yeah, I love it a lot. So we have to just go through the questions, yeah. So Nummer 1, der Vater von Kamal heißt, so what is the name of his father? Yeah, Bikram. So it's written here. So he's saying ich bin Kamal Malik, okay, mein Vater heißt Bikram, okay. So we'll write here, der Vater von Kamal Malik heißt Bikram. Then Amita ist die, D-I-E, die Mutter, M-U-T-T-E-R, Mutter von Kamal. So here Amita, so he says meine Mutter heißt Amita, so we will write here Amita ist die Mutter, so die, D-I-E, die M-U-T-T-E-R, Mutter von Kamal. Nummer 3, Amna ist die, D-I-E, die Schwester, S-C-H-W, okay, so here it's written S-C-H-W-I-S-T-E-R, Schwester, yeah, von Kamal. So who is the sister of Kamal? So it's written here, see, das ist meine Schwester, and who is, okay, so das ist meine Schwester und sie heißt Amna, so S-C-H-W-E-S-T-E-R, Schwester. Then next one, yeah, Nummer 4, Aman ist der, okay, Bruder von Sarah. So he is written here in this sentence. So sie ist die Mutter von Aman und Sarah. That means Aman and Sarah are the siblings. Okay. So Aman ist, so this Aman is a brother of Sarah. So Aman ist their Bruder. So their D-E-R, their B-R-U-D-E-R, Bruder von Sarah. B-R-U-D-E-R, Bruder von Sarah. Then number 5. Nummer 5. Their Bruder von Bikram heißt. So is the brother of Bikram. So Bikram is Kamal's father. And who is the brother of Kamal's father? So his uncle Arjun. A-R-J-U-N. Okay, Arjun. Okay, so it's their Bruder von meinem Vater. Okay, so their Bruder von Bikram's heißt Arjun. Then the Tante von Kamal heißt Sharmila. It's written here, Sharmila. Yeah. So das ist Tante Sharmila. Then Nummer 7. Kamal ist. So Kamal ist, how old is he? So Kamal ist 11. Okay. So we'll write here 11. So Kamal ist 11. Amna ist 13. Okay, it's written here. Okay. Sie ist 13. Amna. Sie ist 13. Then again. Aman ist also 13. See, Aman ist 13. Okay. Und Sarah ist 14 Jahre alt. And Sarah is 14 years old. Okay. Done. Then we move to the next one. Okay. Then Ergänzer, then Stammbaum von Kamal. We have to draw here or complete here the family tree of Kamal. So Shekhar. Then here we will write the name of her. Okay. His mother. So Kamal's mother. So her name is Amita. Okay. So here we will write down Amita. Okay. And then their kids. Okay. Here we will write down the name of Shekhar and then. Okay. Wait. Who is Shekhar? I think his grandfather. Yeah. Shekhar is grandfather. Then there we will write down the name of her grandmother. So Usha. Okay. So what we will do here? Here we will write Usha and then their kids Arjun and Bikram. Okay. And then Amita and Bikram are the couple and Arjun and Sharmila. Here we will write down the Sharmila and Sharmila are the couples. Yeah. And then their kids Kamal and Amna, and Arjun and Sharmila has the kid and their name is Aman, A-M-A-N, Aman. So this one Aman and Shara. Okay. So Sarah, Aman and Sarah, and then here Kamal and Amna. Okay. Then we move to the next one. Oh, crossword Rätsel, yeah, crossword puzzle. So we have to just write down here. So here I'm okay. Vater, 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 Vater. So so VATER, Vater. Okay. Then here OPA, OPA, OPA. Then here TANTE, Tante. This one is a Tante. So here this one is a Vater, this one is a OPA, and this one is a Tante, and this one is a Bruder, 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 and this one is a Freund, FREUND, Freund. Okay, and this one is a Onkel, ONKEL, Onkel. And then here Bruder we have done. Then here Schwester, SCHWESTER. Schwester. Then here Mutter, MUTTER, Mutter. Okay, so once again, Vater, Opa, Tante, Bruder, Freund, Onkel, Schwester, then Mutter, and we have done. Then here there oder die. So we will write there for the masculine and die for the feminine and plural. Okay, for the both feminine and plural. So we will write die for the feminine and plural, and there only for masculine. So das ist, so Bruder, so das ist der Bruder von Tina. Then Schwester, so die Schwester von Stefan heißt Tina. Then Freund, masculine, so ich bin der Freund von Lukas. Then Freundin is a feminine. So die Freundin von Karin ist sympathisch. Then das ist Eltern. Eltern is a plural. So plural. So das sind die Eltern von Klaus. So we always use die for feminine and plural. So plural here. So das sind die Eltern von Klaus. Then wie heißt Onkel is there, masculine. So there wie heißt der Onkel von Stefan. Okay. So in this way we have done number 10, then number 11. Okay. So Schreibsätze, what we have to do, just we have to write down the sentences in correct way. Yeah, that means a meaningful sentence. Okay, it's a jumbled here. We have to arrange the words and then make a meaningful sentence. So the first one is a das, then verb ist. So das ist meine Freundin Brigitte. So das ist meine Freundin Brigitte. Okay, then here we will write down Tina ist, so Tina ist die Schwester von Stefan. Okay, so Tina ist die Schwester von Stefan. Then here we will write, okay, their Freund, okay, their Freund von their Freund von Stefan heißt Markus. So we can say their Freund von Stefan heißt Markus, or we can also say their Freund von Markus heißt Stefan. Okay, so both sentences are correct. Yeah. So next one, das sind, okay, so das sind die Eltern von Stefan. So they are the parents, Stefan's parents, so parents of Stefan. So das sind die Eltern von Stefan. Okay, next, Nummer 5. So wie heißt der Onkel von Tina? So once again, wie heißt der Onkel von Tina? Okay, next one. So wie viele, so wie viele Geschwister. So we'll write here, wie viele Geschwister hat Ali? Okay, the question is, wie viele Geschwister hat Ali? Then next one, it's a question mark. Okay, so here the question. Then we will form this sentence as a question. So there is no V-Frage, so we'll put the verb at the first position. So verb is here, hat. So hat, deine, Tante, zwei Kinder. So hat, deine, Tante, zwei Kinder. Okay. Then number 8. Das sind, okay, so das sind die Großeltern. So we will write here, das sind die Großeltern von Elke. Okay, the question will be, the sentence will be, das sind die Großeltern von Elke. Okay, so das sind die Großeltern von Elke. Okay, and one more thing, we will always write down the noun with capital letters, and also when we start the sentence, the first letter should be capital. Okay, so be careful about it. So like here, hat, okay, hat, deine, Tante, zwei Kinder, then H will be capital. Okay, then we move to the next one. But solve. So richtig schreiben, ergänze. So Nummer 1, SCH oder S. So here we will write Schwester, so SCHWESTER, Schwester. Then here Spiel, SPIL, Spiel. Then here viel Spaß, so SPASZ, Spaß. Then Nummer 2, M oder MM, so die Nummer, so there is a MM, so die Nummer. Then die Familie, so DIE, FAMILIE, Familia. And then here die Oma, OMA, Oma. Then T oder D, so their Vater, so VATER, Vater. Then their Bruder, so DR there, BRUDER, Bruder. Then Sie sind, SIEZ, sind. Then du bist, BIST, du bist. Okay, then Nummer 4, EI oder EU, so meine, so MEINE, meine Freundin. Okay, FREU, so here EI and then here EU, so meine, 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 then FREUNDIN, Freundin. Then here this here the number 9, so NEUN, 9, so EU. Okay, so this one is here number 9, so NEUN, 9. Then here eins, the number 1, so EINS, eins. Then here we will write no, so 9, NEIN, 9. Das ist nicht Markus, das ist Lukas. Okay, so in this way we have done this chapter. Okay, so Lektion 2, and then we'll see in the next chapter. Then auf Wiedersehen.